Need a quick overview of your team's workload and availability? Let's explore the team's capacity report in BigPicture. This report gives you a clear visualization of your team's capacity and workload allocation. The report displays 4 key data points for each team: the team name, total capacity, assigned workload, and remaining capacity. This allows you to instantly compare planned work against available team capacity and better understand how resources are distributed. Currently, both capacity and workload are expressed only in hours. The colors are based on the coloring rules configured in the box type. Click the Report Settings button to adjust the time period to focus on the data that matters most to you. The available options include this month, from today until the end of the current month; next month, from the first to the last day of the upcoming month. Current box uses the start and end dates configured for the current box. These settings help you analyze team capacity across different planning horizons. Each report allows you to add a public note, making it easy to share context. Just remember, these notes are only visible within BigPicture and aren't synchronized with Jira. You can also refresh the data at any time and zoom in to focus on specific details. The team's capacity report is available in multiple places across BigPicture: in the hierarchy view of the Overview module, in the info bar panel of the Gantt module, in the Details view of the Scope module, in the Backlog of the Resources module, and in the info bar panel of the Board module. That's all. The team's capacity report helps you monitor workload distribution and keep your team's capacity under control.